Hello, this is Aaron Swatsky with American Crystal on the Byproducts team. Due to the fact that we're implementing a new electronic bid system for pulp and tailings for the 2024-2025 season, we wanted to give you a chance to have an overview of the bid process and some of the updates we've made. So with that, we wanted to start off by taking you to how do you get to the bid process and how do you get to the electronic forms. So I've just went to Google and I've typed in crystal sugar and clicked on crystalsugar.com, which takes you to our homepage of our website, our company website. From there, I want to go to the agri-products section and then down to pulp and tailings. When I click on pulp and tailings, I'm brought to the pulp and tailings webpage. Now, many of you or most of you are probably familiar with this. And if you're not, this is a section of our webpage that we do the vast majority of our communication on. So just an overview of some of the sections. It kind of gives you an idea of what to expect with pulp and tailings. We have our sales agreements, which we will come back to this section. There's news and updates that we post regularly. So you can see we just posted something recently and we post on a regular basis. There's pricing. There's a list to custom trucking service providers. There's also some helpful program links. There's also links to individual factory contacts that you can open up. And if you have an issue, you can contact your local factory. However, we do recommend contacting us at the Byproducts email address, byproducts@crystalsugar.com, as the best way and fastest way for you to get information about your byproduct purchases or any questions you may have. So let's navigate back up to the agreement section. This is what we're really interested in. So there's two sections. There's the 23-24 sales agreements and the 24-25 sales agreements. Now, what's the difference? The main difference is there are separate contracts for each processing campaign. So the 23-24 sales agreements are for the current processing campaign, which ends on July 31st, 2024. The 24-25 sales agreements have dates from August 1st, 24 through July 31st of 2025. So it's very important that you understand the dates and which form you're using to sign up because there are multiple agreements available. The only reason you would use the 23-24 sales agreements is if you currently want to purchase byproducts right now that you are not currently signed up for. So you would download the standard sales agreement, fill that out, and send it back into the byproducts email or mail it in to us at the address below. This is not going to apply for most of you, though. What most of you are here for is to bid on pulp and tailings for the upcoming 24-25 season. These agreements are located in this drop-down section. So you can see there's some general information here that tells you about the dates of the contracts and when they're valid. And there's some other boilerplate information. There's two separate sections down here, the preferred bid agreements and the standard sales agreement. The difference between the preferred and standard sales agreements are one key difference. The preferred bid agreement has an extra section where you are allowed to bid a certain volume at a certain price at a certain factory for pressed pulp and tailings. Preferred bid agreements will be made available for Moorhead, Hillsboro, Crookston, and East Grand Forks. However, they will not be available for the Drayton factory this year. So if you only go to the Drayton factory to pick up byproducts, or if you only need byproducts on an as-needed basis and do not want to sign up for preferred products, the standard sales agreement is actually the agreement that you want to fill out. However, if you are at the other four factories and want to bid on preferred agreements and tonnages, this is the form that you want to fill out right here. The 2024-2020 or the 24 preferred and byproduct sales agreement form. This will take you to an exterior website that's powered by DocuSign, and that will allow you to fill out all the information you need to purchase byproducts. And if your preferred bid is accepted, we will also send you a letter of acceptance with the amount of tons and at which factory or factories your bids were accepted at. So again, only use the preferred bid agreements if you want to bid on products. Use the standard sales agreement if you want to just get byproducts on an as-needed basis, or if you're getting byproducts from just the Drayton factory.